In this video, I will show you how to connect your TCL Roku TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. Now this can be very useful, especially if you misplaced your TCL remote control or for some reasons your remote control is not just working. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can still connect your TCL Roku TV to internet Wi-Fi network without your remote control. Now for the first method, which is basically the simplest, all you want to do is to go ahead and change your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that your TCL Roku TV has connected to before. So basically, if your TCL Roku TV has not connected to a Wi-Fi network before, then this will not work out for you. But if you have been able to connect your TCL Roku TV to any Wi-Fi network in the past, what you can actually do is to go ahead and change your current Wi-Fi name and password to the exact Wi-Fi name and password that this TCL Roku TV has connected to before. Now this will simply trick the TV to automatically connect to your new Wi-Fi network, thinking that it is actually the previous one. Now in case you do not understand what I just explained, I'm going to go ahead to practically show you how this is done. So take for example, if we want our TCL Roku TV over here to connect to the Wi-Fi network or hotspot of this phone, what we'll just do is to go ahead and change the hotspot name and the hotspot password to the previous Wi-Fi name or hotspot name and password that the TCL Roku TV has connected to before. So basically, you want to go over to your phone and then locate the hotspot settings. If you're using a Wi-Fi, just go over to the settings of your Wi-Fi and locate where you can actually change the Wi-Fi name and password. Come over to hotspot, and then first of all you want to make sure that your hotspot is turned on basically, and then you want to come over to the set portable hotspot settings and then go ahead and change this Wi-Fi name over here and the password to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that the TV has connected to before. If you're using an iPhone, you may not find the SSID option. Just go ahead and change the name of your iPhone, which will automatically change the name of the Wi-Fi as well. So I'll go ahead and change my hotspot name and password to the previous one now. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the check button over here and then make sure that your hotspot is also turned on. This is done. You can now go ahead and give your TCL Roku TV some few minutes to automatically detect this new Wi-Fi network and connect to it. But if after some minutes the TV does not automatically detect the new Wi-Fi network and automatically connects to it, what you just want to do is to go ahead and prompt the TV to search for available Wi-Fi network again. To do that, you want to go ahead and turn off the TV and then just turn it on. Now this time, once it turns on, it is going to look for available Wi-Fi network and then connect to your new Wi-Fi network. So I'll go ahead and turn off mine and then turn it on so that it can connect to my Wi-Fi network now. And as you can see, we no longer have the not connected text at the top of the TV anymore. Now for the second solution on how to connect your TCL Roku TV to Wi-Fi network without the remote control, what you just want to do is to go ahead and get a wired Ethernet router. Now with a wired router, you basically do not need to go to the TV settings to set up anything. Once it is connected to the TV automatically starts using the internet connection of the router. So you want to go ahead and connect your router or home Wi-Fi with a LAN cable to your TCL Roku TV, and trust me, it is going to work perfectly well for you. If you find this video useful and any of this solution worked out for you, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.